Good morning, class. Today's topic is eating habits of animals. This is part 2. In our last class, we studied about how animals eat. This is the rest of the animals that we did not discuss on that day. A frog throws its sticky tongue to an insect and rolls it back into the mouth. Some insects suck the food into their mouth with a long, thin tube attached to their mouth. Example, mosquito, butterfly, etc. Cows and buffaloes swallow their food after chewing once. Later, they bring it back into their mouth and keep chewing it for hours. This is called chewing the cud. Now, next thing comes about the food chain. We all know that grass are the plants. They produce their own food, so they are called producers. Now this grass produces food, and this grass is eaten by insects. Insects are eaten by frogs. Frogs are eaten by snakes, and snakes are eaten by eagles. So we can see here is a chain system. So this chain is known as the food chain. So we can say that a chain that shows how plants are eaten by animals and then animals are eaten by other animals is called a food chain.
Continue.
Now we have finished the chapter, and some work you have to do. You have to complete these answers. Define herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. What does chewing the cud mean? How does a frog catch its prey? How do snakes eat? Describe the type of teeth in carnivores. Now another thing, you have to write some examples of each of the following. Animals that suck their food through a tube, animals that chew the cud, animals that eat only plants, animals that eat only flesh, animals that eat both plants and animals. And then the next thing, that you have to draw a food chain. So you will draw it and you will color it. Now all these things you will do in your copy, and when the school will reopen, that time you will show me these answers. Thank you.